Welcome to another day of filming for the Spider-Man 4 movie here in Glasgow, Scotland. This video will cover days 2 and 3 of the filming here on Bothwell Street in the center of the city. So let's get into it first with day 2. This first clip features the Spider-Man stunt double, who is riding on top of an APC military vehicle. For this rehearsal take, the action took place close to the end of Bothwell Street, so it was a good place for members of the public to get a good view. If you could see past all the other people, of course. This take gives us a hint of what's to come later. As the tank passes by, the yellow cab flips up suddenly, as does the van on the opposite side. What could have caused those vehicles to move so violently? We haven't seen the real Spider-Man today. Or have we?
It looks like Glasgow Spider-Man has shown up to save the day. Looks like he may need some more training before he fights the Inner Demons gang.
Here we have the set after the take we just saw, with the stuntman and the APC military vehicle. It was the big scene for the day, which is confirmed by the arrival of several important people on set. I snooped around the video and discovered the director of the movie, Destin Daniel Cretton. It seems that the take was a great success. Here we can see Cretton applauding the crew until this bus gets in the way. But I did catch this lovely exchange of thumbs up between Cretton and the stuntman.
Nice.
It was also possible for members of the public to view the set from several of the side streets along Bothwell Street. This view allowed us to get a good view of the action, but only if it took place in that small section of the street. In this take, we can see the Spider-Man stuntman maneuvering his body to try to open the hatch door of the APC vehicle. As the APC vehicle moves back to the starting point, we can get a good view of the camera setup. It allows for close-ups of Spider-Man during these scenes, and is also used when he's not wearing his mask. But we'll look at that part later. I was interested to know what these guys were up to. Looks like a pretty serious operation with how much effort he put into tightening that thing. I still wasn't sure what it was as I saw them wheeling it past on this trailer. Then, I noticed they had attached it to a couple of the vehicles during this chase scene, but I still wasn't sure until this happened. Not bad for Glasgow city centre. I captured some smaller moments too. Here we can see the APC minigun firing off. Here are some of the extras between takes. And here they are running away during the chase scene. And here are some of those New York cops leaving the set at the end of the day. The star of the movie, Tom Holland, made an appearance to film his scenes. But unfortunately, this took place at 8:30 a.m. on day 3, so I missed out on capturing those moments. I do have some animations that accurately capture his time on set, however. He performed some of the same stunts that were rehearsed by his stunt double the previous day. At the end of Bothwell Street, he greeted fans, waving, shaking hands, and even lifting a young fan over the railing for a photo. Thanks for watching this video on days 2 and 3 of the Spider-Man 4 movie filming in Glasgow. Please subscribe to the channel and look out for more coverage here as the filming continues.